In just a moment, we'll have the opportunity to recognize the 16 individuals that will lead our organization for the following year. These people have put in hard work, dedication, and tons of time into this process so they can serve you, the members of the Missouri FFA Association. So without any further ado, let's meet the people that will lead our organization for the year 2020 to 2021.
The approval of the nominating committee report and election of the 2020-2021 Missouri State FFA officers took place via a business survey online due to COVID-19 restrictions. Now it's time to install these very deserving FFA members into their respective offices. Will the retiring officers prepare for installation of officers? Justin, as president-elect, you've been selected by your fellow members to be the leader of our association for the coming year. You're therefore responsible for guiding our association in all its worthy undertakings. May you work intelligently and seriously to fulfill the responsibilities of your office.
Mackenzie Poole, as first vice president-elect, your record of accomplishments indicates you have those qualities of leadership which we should all possess. You are to assist the president in directing the work of our association, preside over meetings in his absence, and keep all committees working effectively.
Jenna Perry, as secretary-elect, you have been chosen to keep an accurate minutes of our meeting and carry on the association correspondence. You should provide the association with the order of businesses and committee assignments for each meeting. You will also keep a list of members, a record of degrees awarded, and have custody of the Constitution and bylaws.
Felicity, Lauren, Aaron, Kirsten, Rachel, Kaylee, Anna, Madison, Dakota, Lauren, Cade, Ricanna, and Colin. As vice presidents-elect, you have been selected because you possess leadership qualities deemed necessary in directing our association. Your responsibilities this year will truly illustrate that labor and knowledge are the keys to accomplishment. May you work closely and seriously with one another for the betterment of the Missouri FFA Association.
It's an honor to be an officer in the FFA. From time to time during the year, you may encounter difficult problems. With your cooperation, hard work, and dedication, you will succeed and the FFA will prosper. More specific duties are listed in the official FFA manual. Do each of you accept the responsibilities of your office, and will you do your best to uphold the ideals and principles of the FFA? If so, answer, I do.
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 I now declare each of you properly and duly installed in the respective office to which you were elected. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you your 2020-2021 State FFA Officer Team.